Good morning, traders. Welcome to today's market review. This is Razak at CMTrading. Today is April 28th, 2015, and today is Tuesday. So looking at the markets, let's first look at the economic calendar. Some news coming out this morning from GBP at 10 a.m. 10:30 a.m. South African time. That's preliminary GDP numbers. It's quarterly number, somewhat important. And then at 2:45 this afternoon, Bank of Canada, okay, the CAD, Governor Polos will be speaking, and then later today at 4 p.m. South African time, we have consumer confidence number coming out of the U.S. So a few, some vital numbers. We'll have to look how they'll play out exactly on the pairs. Looking at the euro right now, we've bounced off this 107 lows that we were trading in this area down here, and now we're at 108.69. We hit a 109. All in all, okay, until this really breaks out on the upside, I think we're going to be continuously just sideways trading here, as you can see over here, that we are basically just sideways trading. Okay, I mean, there are some moves. Obviously, we broke this 107 level, and now we're above 108. But you know, all in all, it's not trending, 3,000 pips. So I played very carefully on the upside or the downside, and just take quick profits in the euro, looking for anywhere between 30 to 60 pips into getting out. So that would be my gut feeling of how to take advantage of the markets there. Looking at the GBP USD, GBP USD is coming back nicely. As you can see here, we're rallied all the way back from 145 to 152, and now we've gone this third rally here. Let's see if we can maintain this momentum, all these pullbacks, and challenge us further. 152 is a major number, as you can see here. Let's look at a daily graph. As you can see, 152 is a major number, all right? So you could see here we had some resistance before, and now we're coming in a little bit. So again, I would really keep an eye on this to see where it could really keep on going. Let's see if it does maintain the momentum, and then I would see a 101.55 level objective and goal right here, and then we'd see some resistance here. But if we can maintain this momentum, we could definitely see this coming back to 155. The dollar across the board is getting a little bit weaker as time is progressing. Not much going on in the USD, Japanese yen. Let's look at the USD Swiss franc quickly. Also, if you remember this huge move down back in January, and now we're just sideways trading. We covered pretty much, we filled in the gap, okay, the space sell-off, and we're somewhere in the middle here, okay, when we sold off, and as can be expected. This was an extreme move, this is a recovery, and this is a correction, okay, and that's the way you should look at it in terms of, so not really much happening here. As you can see, it's pretty much tapered off, but there are these moves every so often, and we do have some support down here at the 95.29 level. Okay, looking at the Dow Jones, it's been an animal. Okay, it's up 200 points, down 200 points, up 200 points, down 200 points. As you can see here on a 4-hour chart, we've pretty much just been side trading. Okay, buying the bottom of the move, 17,500, and selling this 18,100 level. And right now we're just trading. We sold off overnight, but we're trading at 17,097. So I'm inclined to think that this is going to go higher because the U.S. stocks are going higher. The bellwether stocks, Microsoft, Google, Intel, these major corporations in America are heading higher, and somehow that's going to lift the Dow into 18,500 level, I believe, in the next month or so. So keep an eye on that. Looking at oil's rebounded a little bit from our $45 level. We're about $56 right now. but as you can see, we challenged this 57 level, and we didn't break higher, 57.95, and now we sold off to 56. So might be a good place to really pick this up here. Maybe a stop loss at 55.80, and to anticipate maybe it'll continue sideways trading in this area. If it does break down, then we'll see 53 to $50 level challenging it again. So there's some real moves in the oil, and as anticipated. Looking at the gold, it's trading at 12,000 right now, 1,200. Excuse me. Some resistance at this 1221, 1211 level, and some support at 1180. So anywhere in between that is really a crapshoot. Not really a high probability trade. Still not trending. As you can see here, we went from 1293 to 1149. That was a great trade. Okay, back in January to March, and then we rallied right back. But right now we're just sideways trading. We're in this tunnel right here, and this tunnel right about here. But anytime we break above this 1221 level, or we break lower than this 1176 level, I would really consider getting a little bit more aggressive. I mean, you can actually make the tunnel a little bit more tighter, and say, let's say these two levels are really another trigger, buy or sell. I mean, you can maybe ease into the position, let this 1209 and 1183 be your initial positions to go in, just to feel out if it's breaking down or going higher, and then going bigger or flipping your direction once it breaches this 1221 and 1176 level. This is Fred Razak at CM Trading. I want to wish everybody a great trading day. Thank you.